Good afternoon, all. My name is Kubiata Basi Uyime Atai. I am a student of the SS2E class. I am happy to have you all today. We are talking about watching out, menstrual hygiene and puberty. Puberty is necessary in all humans. It is a mark of development and growth. In females, we have developmental changes. They include pimples and acne occurrence, changes in voice, menstruation, growth of hair in pubic areas, widening of hips, and we know the rest. So today we'll mostly be talking about menstruation. When menstruation occurs in girls, there are a lot of things that happens. Girls can go through mood swings, is egocentric tendencies. This means that they tend to focus more on themselves. They have some certain form of discomfort about their growth, increased need for privacy, and some even resort to isolating themselves. So about menstruation, I will talk to you today about handling yourself and your hygiene too. So about the hygiene, we should all wear clean underwear, we should bathe twice a day, and we should change our sanitary pads regularly. For those of you that will be experiencing your period, while you're on your period, you're not expected to wear your pad once and then wear it till the end of that day. If you are having a heavy flow, it's advisable to change it more than 3 times, and for those with regular flow, you can change it twice or thrice a day. Okay. For control, we have to say no to sex, say no to those little boys that keep on disturbing you, because you are maturing as a woman, and you should keep yourself first and consider yourself. You are a prize to be won, and you should not let out prize to little children who don't deserve it. So I hope you all learned something today. From my office, I will please help me, and I also want to thank my mom and me too. May God bless us all. Thank you.